this session, you will see grade 10 students perform their understanding of the novel Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde through the medium of roleplay and a mock court. We're looking at the strange case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, the trial of Mr. Hyde for crimes against humanity. That is our trial that will be taking place here today. This is a performance of understanding. Why do you think we are choosing this as a means to perform your understanding for our text so far?
I think it's a good way of going into the character's shoes, because you really know how he feels and we can portray all of that, and with that you can portray your understanding of the character. Okay, you can get a sense of what Mr. Utterson is about, yeah? Good. So there are 4 key rubrics, guys. I'll write these down in a moment, but the first of these is evidence. It could be quotes or instances from the book. Okay, tangible objects that existed within the text. What's our second band? Understanding. Places, instances, and? People, absolutely. So when we're talking about people, we mean? Witnesses. Personal response, like Abhimanyu said, is obviously how well you've interpreted Utterson. Fourth band is? Communication. What's that going to be?
How well you get your point across in terms of the court of law.
Okay, so structure of your argument. How you're structuring your argument is going to be key. Right, you can use anything you want. You've got 10 minutes within your groups. You have 5 minutes in total to present your case, so you do not need to rush. The other group will then be a jury. And when you're planning out the 5 minutes, always account for something that's going to take more time than you think. What do I need to get across in that 5 minutes specifically? We are gathered here today to discuss the trial of Mr. Hyde for crimes against humanity. I think we're all agreed that everyone within this room knows that Mr. Hyde is absolutely guilty. But the question remains, just what is Mr. Hyde guilty of? Can I call to the floor Mr. Utterson, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I am here today to explain to you about the heinous crimes committed by Mr. Hyde. So to prove that, I'd like to call upon the maid who was present at Dr. Crew's murder. Could you kindly explain to the jury what the instances that you saw?
The man and Mr. Karu were conversing, and the man seemed to be angered.
Can this be tolerated by society any longer? I'll leave that up to you.
Okay, guys. Right. Everyone come around this side. Couple of things. Good performances here and there. What did you like about their performance of understanding? Remember, this is understanding.
He asked at what time did it happen, what exactly happened.
Good, so that brought about that sense of realism we were talking about. Yeah, I would agree. For this group, things that you liked about their performance of understanding.
It was very well drilled.
Okay, so there was a nice flow to it. Okay, what else?
They use specific instances
From the text. So many quotes now. Your group would win this one. Well done. I thought that was really, really good. Fair play, fair play. That's good. And mainly for the clarity and the specifics of the text that you used. All right, guys, good. Great stuff. Good session. Well done.